Hi,
Randeep, like you said, this is one of the most voyeuristic cases around. So many people are enthralled by it. And I'm obviously not going to ask you whether you identified with playing the character, but at any point did you empathize with him? And was that scary for you at some point?
Of course, I empathize with him. How can you play a character without empathizing with the character? No, I didn't feel sorry for him at all. I think he really knows what he's doing. In fact, he's very good at knowing what he's doing. In fact, I sometimes feel and get up in my sleep and think that maybe he knows what I'm doing. It's very strange. Sometimes I get up in the night and I feel, oh shit, does he know I'm sleeping? Is he around? Can he see me? So that's the kind of omnipresence that this character has, and he has been a part of every life. In fact, there's a very strange thing that Mr. Amod Khan told us. We were going to go meet him, and he says, don't go meet him. I said, why? He says, 70 years old, what's he going to do? He says, no, you're going to come back doing what he wants you to do instead of what you want to do, and you will be so believing that it is what you want to do. So that is the power of his understanding of human psyche and relationships.
Hi, Randeep. After Kick, the films you have signed have been all have been biopics, be it Rangrasiya or Mayor Charles, and your next film that is Sarabjit. So how difficult it becomes for you to play someone else on the big screen every time, like adapting someone else?
I think I get bored of myself very quickly, and playing another character who's lived a life, and because he's lived a life, you know all kinds of informations about him. But ultimately, brother, whichever film you're doing, biopic, non-biopic, or whatever, it is a part, you are playing a script. Ultimately, you are playing a script which has been given to you. How much truth you can instill in it is between your and director's interactions. But mostly you have to follow the script, not the real life, because a script is a concise a filtration of real life. Otherwise, we'll have to make a movie 20 years long or 40 years long. You know what I mean? So you have to follow the script, but I do find all these characters very interesting, fascinating, and I think that is the best part of my job, is to live many lives without the real repercussions, and that's what thrills me.
And what kind of cinema attracts you the most? Like a commercial cinema or a film or a biopic?
Cinema. Cinema attracts me, man. It is you people and certain other people who decide whether it's commercial or it's not commercial or at all. You do your job the same way and with the same interest.
Randeep, on your right, Randeep, yeah. Congratulations to you and the team for the trailer.
Thanks, brother. Thank you.
Yes,
we need your wishes also.
Yeah, we have.
Have you prayed for us yet?
Okay, first I'll ask my question to you. आप हमेशा कॉप के रोल में दिखाई दिए, भले वो वंस अपॉन टाइम हो या जन्नत 2 हो. इस बार यू आर ऑन द लॉ, अदर साइड ऑफ द लॉ. सो हाउ वाज इट प्लेइंग द अदर साइड, द डेविल साइड?
I definitely find it more interesting.
So were you waiting?
Unless I'm playing a drunk cop, then I can drink on the set.
So were you waiting for such a script जिसमें आप you could play something different and image change?
This film has been first it was discussed 5 years ago, brother. So I have done at least 15 to 20 movies since, so I've not been waiting for this script. It was a script that I wanted to be a part of for a very long time, and finally we've seen the day where we have made it, and now we are out with it. And I think that journey itself has been so full of learning and experience that I do not think about which role I'm doing. I'm just so excited about sharing this story with people.
आदिल, आपसे सवाल है. ये मैं का किरदार निभा रहे हैं आप फिल्म में, तो मैं इधर आपके लेफ्ट में, तो ये मैं कौन है और एग्जैक्टली किस तरीके से आप?
बहुत सारे मैं हैं, like all of as you see, Nandu ji, he's playing the person who actually apprehended him physically, and Mr. Zende, he plays Zende. Alex is there, and Richa plays. So all of us are men, and I play Amod Kant, as he was mentioning, the person who was the mastermind behind his conviction, because you. So Amod Kant was the mastermind behind his conviction because he came to know about his intention why he broke out of the jail, and he found out. And I don't want to give the whole story. Director साहब, आप मुझे रुक दीजिए कि बस यहाँ तक बोलिएगा. So he finds out why he has broken out of the jail, and then he makes sure that he takes it almost personally that this man cannot be in the society, cannot run around freely in the society. He makes sure. So that kind of conviction and kind of honesty and integrity this character has, Amod Kant, and that's what I play.
रिचा जी इधर आपके राइट साइड में।
हाँ जी सर।
मसान की सक्सेस के बाद आपको कितनी उम्मीदें हैं इस फिल्म से?
जी?
मसान की सक्सेस होने के बाद आपको कितनी उम्मीदें हैं इस फिल्म से?
बहुत उम्मीद है और बहुत विश्वास है कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करेगी। बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है और यहाँ जितने लोग बैठे हैं सब ने बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत हिम्मत रखी, बहुत सब्र के साथ काम किया और हम सच में बहुत खुश हैं ये कहानी आप तक पहुंचाने के लिए।
अपने रोल के लिए आप खुश हैं?
और ये फिल्म अलग भी है।
जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन मिला आपको अपने रोल के लिए?
जी जॉब सेटिस्फेक्शन बहुत मिला।
लेट्स नो अबाउट दिस जेंटलमैन
एलेक्स।
इनका एलेक्स एक्सपीरियंस, कैन यू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस विद अस working and what is your role in the movie?
Well, my role in the film is one of the folks who falls under Charles's spell for a while and relies on him a great deal. He's kind of lost in a bunch of circumstances he can't get out of on his own. But my experience in this film was phenomenal. You see in front of you some of the best actors in this country, so it was just an honor to work with them, and obviously with Prabal sir as well, who spent so much time making this really detailed and extremely interesting film. I really think people are going to love it.
Prabal, here, center. Here, center.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any trouble from the censor board yet? What did Mr. Nilani have to say after watching the trailer? Has he insisted on any cuts?
If we just showed you the trailer with the age certificate, there's no problem, right?
So he had no problems?
I think so.
Okay. Randeep, why are real-life gangsters always glamorized in Bollywood?
This guy's not a gangster, man. He's not a gangster.
He's a criminal, right?
He's a checkered past. I think he insists that he's not done anything wrong in his life. So it's not that. See, other gangsters might be glamorized because of Charles Sobraj. Charles Sobraj himself is a very glamorous man.
But do you think he's innocent?
Of course. Why would I not think he's innocent?
Okay.
See, he was a state prisoner. And even in Nepal, when he's in prison, he has been thrown into prison without... Sorry. No, of course, every criminal believes he's innocent. He's never confessed to his crimes, and he thinks that there are people after him. There is a bigger conspiracy. That is why he's in the prison. He's got no business being there. In fact, he is upright to the human rights, and they are trying to fight his case in Nepal now. I think he's innocent.
The trailer begins with a lot of words, charming, enigmatic, magnetic, and a lot of stuff. Do you identify with these adjectives in your real life as well?
Sometimes.
Which one?
All of the above.
Charles Sobraj was also known as the Bikini Killer. What's your take on the same?
It's never been proved. It's never been proved. He's never gone to. He's never been convicted of murder, except for in Nepal now, and that too. They did not bring out any evidence, and they just, they did not bring any witnesses, and they just prosecuted him. It's absolutely wrong. I think we should start a campaign to get him out.
रिचा आपका किरदार कुछ इंटेंस नजर आ रहा है।
मुझे आप नहीं नजर आ रहा।
हाँ इधर आपके लेफ्ट, आपके राइट। हाय। तो इंटेंस किरदार को निभाना कितना मुश्किल होता है, क्या क्या प्रिपरेशन आपने इस किरदार को निभाने की?
सर मैं तो वेट कर रही हूँ मुझे कोई ऐसी बबली गुब्बारों वाली कैंडी फ्लॉस टाइप की फिल्म करें, क्योंकि मैं इंटेंस फिल्में बहुत कर चुकी हूँ, मुझे बिल्कुल दिक्कत नहीं आई। और जैसा आप समझ रहे हैं वैसा किरदार नहीं है शायद। इंटेंस इन द सेंस कि ये फिल्म एक थ्रिलर है, पर कैरेक्टर बहुत मज़ेदार है, डबल शेडेड है। लगता है कि मैं बहुत होशियार हूँ पर हूँ नहीं फिल्म में, इस तरह का किरदार है। तो बहुत मज़ा आया और काफ़ी लाइक आई सेड बिफोर, प्रवाल ने इतनी प्रिसाइज डायरेक्शन की कि उनको जो अगर रिएक्शन शॉट भी पसंद नहीं आता था तो हम वो बाद में रीशूट कर लेते थे बिकॉज ही न्यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांटेड।
हेलो, मेरा सवाल
एक सेकंड यार, ये माइक में आवाज क्यों आ रही है? चार्ज तो नहीं आ गया? अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, बड़ी लाउड बैकग्राउंड स्कोर है यार। रामू जी की पिक्चर है क्या?
हेलो, मेरा सवाल डायरेक्टर जी से है। इट्स ओके अगर आप मुझे नहीं देख पाएंगे तो। फिल्म के बनाने के पीछे क्या मोटिव है ये जानना चाहूँगी मैं।
पहला मोटिव है कि ये गूगल वाला चार्ल्स नहीं है, ये एंटरटेनमेंट, ये मेरा किरदार है जो मैंने लिखा है। और क्यों? नॉट टू ग्लोरीफाई क्राइम बट टू इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ केस स्टडी एंड अ कैरेक्टर like Charles, of course it is inspired from a lot of true incidents, but a character like this is always extremely enigmatic, and I've seen that these kind of glorified criminals need to be understood and portrayed in the correct fashion for others to know that it is not just glamour, there are a lot of other things comes as pain and how they are wronged and how one needs to look at them. So it's basically a case study. Yes, as Randeep said, a lot of entertainment as well, but a case study.
Randeep, apart from Richa, in total, how many other women have you romanced in the film on screen?
I've forgotten here. I mean, sometimes I used to say, oh, you are shooting today. So, no, I don't know, maybe 6, 7, 8. I don't know how much the censors will chop out.
365.
I don't know how much they'll chop out, bro, but it was fun. If that is what you're trying to ask me. Well, you never praise another lady in front of another lady, but I'll tell you later. For who? Charles? Singing songs? Yeah. No, I don't think that'll work out, my friend. We are not singing songs, but there is a beautiful background score and there are beautiful songs in the movie, which we will be releasing subsequently. It's a very new sound and some old sound, and it's mixed very well, and it gives that feeling, that coolness that Charles has, and I think you're going to enjoy the music once we put it out in the public domain.
आखिरी दो सवाल, रणदीप, आपसे सवाल है कि जब रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स पे फिल्में बनती हैं तो अक्सर
कहाँ है भाई?
यहाँ
चुप मत, मैं चार्ज एक्चुअली में नहीं हूँ
यहाँ पर।
हाँ
रणदीप, जब प्रबल आपसे भी सवाल है कि जब रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स पे फिल्में बनती हैं तो अक्सर फिक्शनलाइज भी काफ़ी किया जाता है, तो इस फिल्म में कितना फिक्शन है? रियल लाइफ पे तो है ही, कितना फिक्शनलाइज किया है आप दोनों ने इस फिल्म को? प्रबल आपसे भी सवाल है।
आपसे भी पहले किसका जवाब चाहिए आपको? ओके, रणदीप सर।
मेरे वाला जवाब ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग मिलेगा। मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत क्लोज टू लाइफ है, जो कि केस हुआ था, जो कि मिस्टर अमोद कांत ने हमें इंफॉर्मेशन दी है, जैसे चार्ल्स थे और जो इंसिडेंट्स हुए हैं। ऑफ कोर्स ये फिल्म है और ये हमें 2 घंटे में एक कहानी बतानी होती है, तो उसके अलग अलग टुकड़ों को जोड़ने के लिए आपको उसको थोड़ा बहुत फिक्शनलाइज करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो आप एक कोहेरेंट 2 घंटे की फिल्म, एक काफ़ी महीनों की जर्नी 2 घंटे में नहीं दिखा सकते। उसके अलावा मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत ही इन स्पिरिट, ये इससे ज़्यादा क्लोज फिल्म चार्ल्स पे नहीं बन सकती।
प्रबल, कितना ड्रामेटाइज किया है आपने डायरेक्ट करते वक्त?
आपको ट्रेलर देख के कैसा लगा?
ट्रेलर अच्छा है,
तो ड्रामेटाइज किया है मैंने।
किस हद तक ड्रामेटाइज किया?
अब परसेंटेज में कैसे बताऊं? 60%, 70, 80, क्या 90?
रणदीप टू वर्ड्स योर। हाँ रणदीप, मुझे ये जानना है, इसके अलावा आप सरबजीत भी कर रहे हैं, तो क्या स्टेटस है, कब से शूटिंग स्टार्ट करें और ऐश्वर्या के साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस करें?
कौन सी पिक्चर?
सरबजीत।
मैं और चार्ल्स रिलीजेस ऑन 30th of October, and I am sure you guys will like the film, and I hope we can rock your socks like Charles does.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. परब जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जहाँ फिल्म की बात की जा रही है चार्ल्स के कैरेक्टर पे, सीधा आपके एकदम सीधा, तो जब भी किसी के कैरेक्टर पे फिल्म बनाई जाती है तो उससे अप्रूवल लिया जाता है ज़्यादातर, नहीं तो बाद में अगर वो सीन उन्हें पसंद नहीं आता या कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वो केस कर सकते हैं। तो आपकी कोई बात हुई है या राइट्स के वगैरह में, या तो फिर ये एकदम ही फिक्शन है, सिर्फ केस के ऊपर है?
देखिए, मैंने पहले ही कहा ये चार्ल्स सोबराज के ऊपर फिल्म नहीं है, करेक्ट? इट इज़ बीन इंस्पायर्ड बाय अ कैरेक्टर, सो मुझे परमिशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं, क्योंकि फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर से क्या परमिशन लूँ। दूसरी बात, अगर परमिशन की बात आती है तो मिस्टर अमोद कांत का कैरेक्टर बगल में बैठा हुआ है, इनसे परमिशन ले रखी है हम लोगों ने, क्योंकि जब रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट्स को फिक्शनलाइज कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए वी डेफिनेटली नीड सम लीगल aid to us, and that is Mr. Amod Kant. That's it.
While writing
let me make it even more clear. It is based on the account of Mr. Amod Kant about the jailbreak that happened in 1986 from Tihar jail, where a man walked out of the jail, opened the gate and walked out of the jail with 3 other people, while 175 policemen and inmates were lying drugged, unconscious on the ground. It is that case in 1986. The rights have been given to us by Mr. Amod Kant, who was the investigating officer of the case, and it is based on the charge sheet, and of course, it has been dramatized and fictionalized to fit into a movie. Am I clear?
I think that sums it up, and that's all we have, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar taaliyan for the entire cast and crew of मैं और चार्ल्स। आखिरी चीज, प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ पे दोनों विराजमान हैं, एक जाते जाते यूएसपी आप लोगों से भी जानना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज टोक रहे थे, रोक रहे थे, बहुत कुछ है।
जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे उसमें एक डायलॉग है जो रणदीप एक कैरेक्टर को कहता है कि इट्स टाइम टू गेट फेमस। आज के बाद लोग आपको चार्ल्स के नाम से जानेंगे, तो मैं उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि आज के बाद लोग हमें भी चार्ल्स के नाम से जानेंगे कि कितनी बेहतरीन पिक्चर बनाई है, और हम भी फेमस हो ही जाएंगे इस तरीके से। And when Praval had written the script and he narrated me the script, I think me and Vikram both were like blown away. Ki this is one character that the world has to see. And when he gave me the suggestion of Randeep playing it, I said nobody else can nail the character like this guy. And today we are so proud of the fact that our faith in both Praval, Randeep and the entire crew has been like totally satisfied. Amazing, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. आप लोग के ऊपर है, आप जो भी है। जी देवी जी, धन्यवाद। That's all we have for you. जी, please. बोलिए नहीं तो मैं पिटूंगा। बोल दीजिए विक्रम जी, बोल दीजिए। रिचा जी ने बोला है तो बोल ही दीजिए।
दूसरे प्रोड्यूसर की चमची मारे।
30th को फिल्म देखिए, पसंद कीजिए, दैट्स ऑल यार। सही है, प्रोड्यूसर वाला ही मैसेज आया है यहाँ पे, है ना? थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for patience. You're here.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मैं और चार्ल्स के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।